Today I am showing you how to make my go-to low-carb breakfast sandwich that's helped me stay full, energized, and on track with my keto lifestyle without feeling deprived. I'm starting with my low-carb bread. Today I'm using almond flour and going to make a mug bread in microwave for 90 seconds, or you can take any keto-friendly bread to make this breakfast sandwich. And here I'm taking 1 teaspoon of butter. I thought my butter is soft, but it is not. It was quite hard. So I'm going to microwave it, taking 1 teaspoon. Microwave it for maybe 20 seconds or less, depending on your microwave. Then add your spices. An egg. First I'm taking egg. 1 large egg is fine. You can mix it with your spoon or any mixture, but I'm using my hand with spoon, so it's fine. Then the spices is your personal choice. Here I'm going to use onion powder, garlic powder to taste it a little bit better. Almond flour is already tasty, so I just love onion powder and garlic powder. It tastes so good. I'm not using any salt because it already have salt. The garlic powder already has some salt. Then baking powder, a little bit of vanilla extract. All the recipe I will put in my description box, so you can check that, or you can go to my website, my lifestyle journals, to find out the full recipe. Then take 1 tablespoon of almond flour. I thought 1 tablespoon is fine, but I have to check the consistency, so I ended up taking 3 tablespoons of almond flour. So my mug bread was a little bit higher because I had to take a little more almond flour. But if you have a big mug, your mug bread will be not tall, it will be flat, and you can cut it in 1 piece. So later on I will show you that I cut it in 3 pieces. You can cut it in 4 pieces as well. So it's depending on the mug that you are taking, how big it is. Then I'm adding my favorite cheese. I keep it in deep freeze, so that's why you can see some ice here, but any cheese that you like. This one has already have salt, so that's the another reason that I'm not adding any salt to my bread. So here I have 1 teaspoon of cheese that I'm going to add into my mixture before I go for microwave it. This bread is so easy to make. It's just a few ingredients, not so complicated, and you can have a bread in 90 seconds, which is amazing. I when first I was making it, I was really so surprised that I have a bread at home that I made, and it's low carb, it's keto friendly, and It's diabetic friendly as well. So why not? So your batter will look like something like this. I'm testing it because I would like to know that if it is too salty or I need some salt. So it was perfect. So it's ready to go to microwave. So always check your batter looks like this. If it is too liquid, maybe you need to add little more almond flour. I do not want to waste any part of it, so that's why I'm trying to take all. So let's go to microwave. So now I microwave it for 90 seconds and just pushing it a little bit so then when I'm flipping it, it come out so smoothly. So all you need plate to flip this cup and your bread will come out. Be careful, it will be hot, so watch that out. Look at this. Your 90 minutes keto low carb bread is ready, and you can make anything from it. You can make sandwich, you can just toast it, and you can eat it with butter or peanut butter or cream cheese. So I'm going to cut it in 3 pieces. I also could cut it in 4 pieces, but I kept it a little bit thick. So later on, I realized that I could cut it 4 pieces. And when it is hot, it's a little bit tricky to cut, but it didn't break out because it has a binder of cheese and it cooked well. So that means your bread is good. So now you have 3 pieces of almond flour sandwich bread. Now time to fry it. So I'm not toasting in a toaster. So I'm going to pan fry it with a little bit of avocado spray. So to have a little brownish texture of the bread, or you can just eat like this if you like. I wanted to fry it a little bit. I already marinated some ground beef. You can marinate with any spices you like. So I'm going to pan fry the ground beef, the shape of like a patty. I didn't go for in a particular shape of the patty, so I just fried as it is. And I'm going to add all the ingredients I have now: my bread, my patty, my egg, and then sliced organic cheese, then antibiotic free organic bacon that I love so much. I actually air fried it, and then top of I have my almond flour bread. So look at this beautiful sandwich, keto friendly sandwich that I have made. It's so easy, so filling, and honestly it keeps me away from snacking and cravings throughout the morning.